Banana pudding stands as an iconic dessert with its origins tracing back to the late 19th century. Often highlighted at social gatherings, this dish embodies comforting simplicity combined with a delicious flavor profile. In a similar vein, Apple Brown Betty marries sweet apples with warm spices, with its first references appearing in 1864. This dessert exemplifies the adaptation of British culinary traditions to incorporate local ingredients. Transitioning from one treat to another, whoopie pies, with origins contested between New England and Pennsylvania, symbolize a friendly rivalry. These delightful confections consist of soft chocolate cookies filled with creamy goodness, making them perfect for various occasions. Moreover, the pie named after the grasshopper cocktail, a once popular drink made with green crème de menthe, adds cultural significance to the dessert. This connection resembles a minty milkshake infused with a spirited twist. Divinity, another beloved treat, highlights the intricate craft of candy making, embodying the sweet traditions of mid-century American kitchens. Its gradual decline reflects evolving preferences in contemporary food culture. Pecan pie emerges as a cherished Southern staple, rooted in the histories of Native Americans and French settlers in New Orleans. Its simple yet rich flavors have solidified its status as a timeless favorite, especially during festive holidays. Meanwhile, coconut cream pie traces its beginnings to the early 20th century, becoming a cookbook staple with its custard base and delicate coconut shavings. Although its popularity waned, it remains a treasured choice for special celebrations. Rice pudding, with a rich history dating back to 6000 BC, began in India and has been used for a variety of purposes, including medicinal applications in ancient Rome. Its journey across Europe throughout the Middle Ages underscores its lasting appeal. Lemon meringue pie burst onto the scene during the Victorian era, gaining popularity through influential chefs and establishing itself as a classic dessert within American cuisine. Its refreshing flavor continues to captivate, particularly in warmer climates. Chiffon cake, renowned for its delicate texture and citrus notes, once held favor among Hollywood's elite but saw its prominence decline as dessert trends evolved. Chocolate pudding, enjoyed since the 1730s, was regarded as a symbol of sophistication and has transformed into a comforting staple over generations, appealing to diverse palates. Emerging in the 1960s, chocolate fondue brought a new dessert experience, combining melted chocolate with fruits and marshmallows. However, its popularity eventually diminished with the rise of new culinary trends. Jell-O became synonymous with mid-century dining, often presented in playful shapes and featured in versatile gelatin salads at potlucks and picnics. Its vibrant colors and whimsical designs made it a favored choice for entertaining. Ambrosia salad, a nostalgic dish that first emerged in the early 1900s, blends a variety of fruits with fluffy ingredients. Over time, its components became commonplace, leading to a decline in its once special status. In contrast, pineapple upside-down cake boasts a rich history tracing back to medieval times, when upside-down cakes were practical and self-decorating. The popularity of pineapples as a luxurious ingredient further elevated this delightful dessert. This cake gained significant fame following a Dole recipe contest in 1925, with over 60,000 entries showcasing its widespread appeal and solidifying its place in American households. Cherry Jubilee, an exquisite creation by Chef Auguste Escoffier for Queen Victoria, captured the hearts of diners in the 1950s and 60s. Its flambé presentation made it a spectacular highlight at upscale dining establishments. Lastly, strawberry shortcake, with roots in Native American cuisine, has evolved through various recipes over centuries. It reached its peak popularity in the 1980s, underscoring its cultural significance in American culinary history.